Got another dog. Here he comes.
In a new form. This is our mascot, Gumbo, a fantastic characterization of the old Gumbo that we had for many, many years in Tulane Stadium and in our first years at the Superdome.
Now the announcer's going to say something here. They're going to do a play?
Well, it looks like the girls have a real big play person in the lineup now.
They're going to do a... Gumbo's going to take a play now.
Yes, but this is a scrimmage between the Saintsations and the male cheerleaders in our cheerleading squad.
Quarterback calls the signal.
Gumbo's been called in to help them.
Here it is.
The give is to Gumbo. Looks like a swivel hips right. Now a swivel hips left. He's going. He's tied up a little bit, but he gets free. He's to the 15. He fakes him out. He's going. He's going. Touchdown! Touchdown! Touchdown!